so all standard and high-definition channels end in the same last 2 digits. For example, standard definition WKYC is channel 3, and WKYC high definition is channel 603. Some digital basic channels also are available in high definition, and these will be added in the 700 range. For example, the outdoor channel in standard definition is channel 101. The outdoor channel in high definition will be channel 701. Now, not all basic cable services are available in high definition, so some gaps will appear in those ranges. If you use an HD TV set with a QAM tuner, you will find that many of these new HD channels are unavailable. I think it's unfortunate, but the program networks require us to encrypt their HD channels. They are so concerned about people making digital copies of their HD programs for distribution on the internet or making their own DVDs that they require us to scramble them. You will need a high-definition converter for the widest selection of HD channels. There's no extra charge for most HD channels. The only charge is for the converter and remote. Most program networks make no extra charge for their HD version of their network, so we pass it along to all subscribers to that same level of service. For example, if you subscribe to Digital Basic, you'll receive the HD version of Digital Basic Networks. The only exception is when the network makes an extra charge, and then we make that channel available on an optional basis. Now, this program will restart in a moment, but please take action now to connect all of your analog TV sets to a digital converter. Thanks for watching.